Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Bumps Ahead. Today we tackle some downhills. First one up, Old Exit. Whoa, heavy on the brakes over there. Watch this corner. I've washed out many times on that corner. Gotta watch out for that crossing. Oh, a bit waterlogged, are we? High line, low line. I always take the low line. Seems like the safer option. And this is where it gets a bit janky. Lots of drops, big rutted gullies, and some pretty sharp corners make it for a pretty interesting ride. Oh, almost going sideways on there. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Quite muddy. But yeah, Old Exit. I wonder where my buddy is.